So you feel like you know what you're doing, but you just want a few pointers to know that you're on the right track. Not a problem. First, let's look at your setup. Personally, I have everything on the face combined into a single object. The reason for that is because most faces require you to combine the eyes, brows, and mouth together. Otherwise, when you're testing combinations, you're gonna have to click all the objects separately one at a time to mix and match different pieces of the face. If your objects are separated and you want to join them, click the piece of the face, shift-click the body, right-click, and join. Make sure you click the body last, otherwise you are gonna lose all your drivers. Got it? Okay. Now, anytime you want to make a face symmetrical, go into Tools and make sure that X is set to active, so that it automatically mirrors what you're doing on the other side. Anytime you want to shape a single piece of the face in edit mode, just click on one point of the object and press L to select the whole thing. This is how I quickly move the teeth and eyebrows around. Now, when creating a new face, you can save a lot of time by using an old face as the base for a new key. For example, if you're creating a kiss animation, then the lip shape for that is going to be very similar to the ooh vowel sound. So I would set ooh to 1, click here, new shape from mix, bring ooh back down to 0, and if we go to our new key and bring it to 1, you can see that we're already halfway to a kiss shape, which means that from here we just need to edit it a tiny bit. The easiest way to edit a new face from an old one is to go into edit mode, and with the move tool selected, go up here and pick smooth. Click the target next to it, find the group of points that you want to pull, then click and hold down left click to start dragging them. While you are holding down left click, you can scroll up and down to change the size of your drag. And from this point on, you can just drag groups of points piece by piece. And that's it. If you join me next video, I'll be going over all the most common facial expressions and how to make them. Anyway, hope that helps. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Hope you have a fantastic day, and I'll see you around.